everyone. So today we have Tiny Toys from LOL Surprise. It has a number 11 on it. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna find out. So let's get it open, I guess. Ah. Let's see. So it comes like this. It says Tiny Toys, and then it has a rip tear here. It says 15 to collect. So here are the things that you can get inside. Here is the box for it. Let's see what we get inside. There is like a rocket ship display for it. It's very cute. And we got two baggies. So I'm going to open up this baggie first. Baggies are hard to open. Come on. Seriously think that this is the one I got before with the place that I bought. Oh well. Let's see. And here's a piece of the camper that comes with it. I'm not sure if this is the same one I got with the place that I bought or not. Let me look at the guide. Does it have a guide? Ah, here we go. Yeah, I'm not honestly sure if this is the same one I got with the place that I bought or not. I don't think so. Maybe it was this one. Maybe it was Luna that I got with the place that I bought. I can't remember. But I know I got one with a place that I bought. But this one is Rocket. Might have been one of the others. I'll have to look. But yeah, it might have been one of the others that I got with the place that I bought. But it's cute. I might have to check back on that video. But looks like I got Rocket. So pretty cute. Nothing spectacular about this. The hair can come off if you want to interchange it. If I remember right. But yeah, it's okay. I will see you guys next time. Bye now.